Plumbers don't want you to know this trick with aluminum balls. Grab a bar of soap, any kind works, and grate it finely onto a plate. You want it to look like fluffy, shredded soap flakes. Done? Great. Now take a tube of toothpaste. Squeeze a generous amount right onto the grated soap. It's starting to look interesting, right? Next, add 1 big tablespoon of fine salt. Mix everything together until it forms a thick, sticky paste. Once you've got it all mixed, scoop a little bit of the paste with your hands and roll it into a bowl. It doesn't need to be perfect, but try to make it compact. Now take a piece of aluminum foil and wrap it around the bowl tightly. Repeat this process until you've made 3 aluminum balls. Grab a wooden toothpick or skewer and poke small holes all over each aluminum ball. Don't hold back. This step is key. Don't worry if you missed a step. I've listed all the ingredients and steps for you in the description, so you can make these at home with ease. Have you ever struggled with that stubborn buildup in your toilet tank? The kind that clogs everything, causes rust stains, and leaves your bathroom smelling awful? Just drop one of these DIY balls into your toilet tank and watch it work wonders. It dissolves stubborn limescale deposits, prevents rust from forming, and leaves your bathroom with a fresh scent.